Welcome back again in the next model of theory of machine 2, unit number 5, synthesis of mechanism. Now here in this class we will discuss about the analytical method for dimensional synthesis. See here, we have to see dimensional synthesis for forward chain mechanism. So let us consider a forward chain mechanism A, B, C, D. So draw this figure, students. I have drawn in Cartesian coordinate x, y. So AB, BC, CD and AD or DA. So there are how many links? 4 links. So let us say L1, L2, L3 and L4 are the dimensions of particular links. Here input angle theta, output angle phi is mentioned. And here if you see one link is fixed, that's why it is a mechanism. So I have shown the angle theta, here phi, here beta. So this becomes L3 cos beta, this is L3 sin beta. These are divided into two components. Here L4, L4 sin phi, L4 cos phi. This is L2 cos theta and L2 sin theta. So consider a 4-bar mechanism A, B, C, D having the lengths L1, L2, L3, L4 as shown in figure. In this mechanism, link AD is fixed and the link AB, BC and DC makes an angle theta, beta and phi respectively along the link AD, or you can say along the x-axis as shown in figure. Now consider the links as vectors and we are writing the vector displacement relationship along x and y axis. So it will becomes along x axis, so it is L2 cos theta, this one, minus L1 plus L3 cos beta and minus L4 cos phi is equal to 0. Then along y axis, so it is L2 sin theta, then L3 sin beta and minus L4 sin phi. So L2 sin theta plus L3 sin beta minus L4 sin phi equal to 0. So we are rewriting the equation 1 and 2 again. So it is written as L3 cos beta equal to, so taking all the terms to right hand side, it becomes L1 plus L4 cos phi minus L2 cos theta. Here this becomes L3 sin beta equal to L4 sin phi minus L2 sin theta. Just we are rewriting this equation. Now squaring and adding equation this 3 and 4. So we'll get, so if you add L3 square cos square beta plus L3 square sin square beta left hand side and this right hand right square plus right hand side square. So this becomes like this L1 plus L4 cos phi minus L2 cos theta bracket square plus second bracket L4 sin phi minus L2 sin theta bracket square. And this becomes L3 square cos square beta plus L3 square sin square beta. So cos square beta plus sin square beta equal to 1. This is L3 square. If we solve a plus b minus c bracket square plus here a minus b bracket square. So just solving this equation, you write down at your end. After solving here, we are getting final equation L3 square equal to L1 square plus L4 square plus L2 square plus 2L1 L4 cos phi minus 2L1 L2 cos theta and minus 2L2 L4 cos of theta minus phi. So this can be written as cos of theta minus phi. Now dividing twice L2 L4 on both sides, so we get, so divide here twice L2 L4, here also divide twice L2 L4. So this becomes L1 square plus L4 square plus L2 square divided by twice L2 L4 plus here dividing twice L1 L4 cos phi on twice L2 L4 minus twice L1 L2 cos theta upon twice L2 L4 and minus twice L2 L4 cos theta minus phi divided by twice L2. So here L2 L2 get cancelled, L4 L4 get cancelled. So we will finally get cos of theta minus phi L1 square plus L2 square minus L3 square plus L4 square divided by twice L2 L4 plus L1 by L2 cos of phi minus L1 by L4 cos of theta. So this equation is the final equation. This equation is known as Freudenstein equation and this can be written as cos of theta minus phi equal to k1 cos phi, this is k1 cos phi minus k2 cos theta minus k2 cos theta and plus k3, where k1 is L1 by L2, k2 is L1 by L4 and k3 is L1 plus L2 square minus L3 square plus L4 square divided by twice L2 L4. So this equation is known as Freudenstein's equation, and from this equation we can solve the synthesis of any mechanism, generally 4-bar mechanism. So here let us say this is 4-bar mechanism ABC, A B1 C1 D. So theta 1, theta 2, theta 3 we have shown here, phi 1, phi 2, phi 3. So these are three position synthesis of 4-bar mechanism. So here let theta 1, theta 2 and theta 3 is, these are the angle of input link. Phi 1, phi 2, phi 3 angle of the output link. Okay. So when B1 shifted to B2 at an angle theta 2, when B1 shifted to B3 at an angle theta 3. At the same time, C1 is shifted to C2 at an angle phi 2, C1 is shifted to C3 at an angle phi 3. It is required to determine the dimension of 4-bar mechanism, that is L1, L2, L3 and L4. So for three different positions of 4-bar chain mechanism, the Freudenstein equation for this above mechanism can be written as, so for first position it is K1 cos phi 1 minus K2 cos theta 1 plus K3 is equal to cos of theta 1 minus phi 1. Second one, K1 cos phi 2 minus K2 cos theta 2 plus K3 equal to cos of theta 2 minus phi 2. And third one, K1 cos phi 3 minus K2 cos theta 3 plus K3 is equal to cos of theta 3 minus phi 3. If we solve this equation simultaneously, there are three equations, three unknown. So we will get a length of the each and every link, and for this one link has to be assumed, and accordingly we will get all the links. So this way we will solve the problem analytically. Here next part is synthesis of a function generation, or it is known as structural error. So here I have shown the figure in which x-axis and y-axis are given. Here I have drawn with red line a curve. You can say that it is a generated function, that is y equal to f of x. Here another dotted line, blue line is there. These are meeting at some points, and this is a required function y equal to f of x. So if you carefully observe, so generated function and required function are meeting at some points. So these points are known as precision points. So here P0, P1, P2, P3, P4, let us say up to Pn. So it is precision points. So you know that for point there are two Cartesian coordinates x and y. So for P0 it is xs, that is starting point of x, and ys starting point of y. For P1 x1 y1, P2 x2 y2 and so on. So for synthesis of this mechanism, it is required that output link should rotate, oscillate or reciprocate according to specified function of time or the motion of input link. So here synthesizing 4-bar mechanism to generate the function y equal to f of x, where x represent the motion or angle of input link, and mechanism is designed in such a way that angle of output link would be appropriate function y equal to f of x. So the next theory we will see in the next class.